FTL first day out, bitch, fuck the feds, walked out the jail, I saw 6 phones. I just got out the bunk bed, 3 million cash, can't fit in my hand, then sit some on my head. Babe, come put that pussy on me, bitch, I'm fresh from out the feds. I say fresh from out the feds, baby, come put that pussy on me. Turned this fuck in the strip club, ran out of one, start throwing hundreds. Nigga, I can't fumble shit, the whole world been waiting on it. Took that knife off.
And we got the beam back from the shop. Had to get a little, you know what I mean? Just a little, you know what I'm saying? Just a little new front end. Just a little front end, nothing crazy. Boy B-Rex. No man, I got a nice ass collection of car. This is just the beginning too. This is my Z. Some nice wheels. What's up, Polly? Pulled up to the rap shop, Rapaholics.
Just color match the headlights. Yeah, it looked good. It looked good as fuck. But shit, the whole world been waiting on it. Took that knife all the way to R&D, gave it to my little homie, nigga. Ain't no more Mufasa, Mr. Goldman, I catch just the jungle. Ain't no more outfits from Southland Mall, they set up made in London. Couple hoes jumped off my bed, majority waited on me. She just acting faithful to you till I get home. Trust me, homie, feeling patient. I might do a demonstration off GP. I ain't shot nothing in like 4 years, I ain't sent a hit in 3. Don't let dirt verse go to your head, ain't nobody slime as me. I'm the one for around the corner where they snake Martin Luther King, extra aggressive. Out in traffic, cause Hank ain't in the back seat. Everywhere I go, it's cars trailing, cause reckless ain't driving me. I get mad when I look around and my members ain't what they supposed to be.
Damn, you wake the fuck up. That shit wake me the fuck. That ass, bro. Smack to the face.
I want to get these for the shop I got, but I don't even know if I'm going to stay there much longer. I might move to a different place.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I don't know yet, but that's the only reason.
I got these 2 for $300 on Amazon.
That's a deal. That's a deal, bro.
Yeah, because I remember I searched them up. Them bitches were like 2 something a piece. And I didn't think they were going to be this big. Like,
yeah, nah, for real. The ones that we seen are half.
Yeah.
Half into that price.
Yeah, I think this fit perfect. It was like perfect for everything. Because I was just going to do one.
In the May, oh my God, what happened to a Virgil edition? In the Ray, wide body, color and black badge edition. In the same scat pack since I left, that mean you stuck, little nigga. We all on the race to the top, these niggas stuck, can't get no bigger. I got Richard while in jail, locked in the feds, out doing niggas. Now my watch got on the watch, my chain got more chain than you niggas. Ain't no such thing as real niggas, but I'm damn sure ain't counterfeit. Hit 10 M's in the bank, then when Fed got penitentiary. Ordering Ferraris, off a jail call on real rich. Make sure she cover my name up if you plan on keeping the bitch. I signed the deal and went to jail, they ain't even seen me pop my shit. I'm just not buying a chain, they say my name, I been bullshitting. My niggas die while in chains, get back gang, I'm right back for revenge. Hey, I just way more colder, every 8 hours I'm changing fits. Every 7 I change the bitch, number forms when we change lanes. Good poet, all these Jews I drop, how you ain't make a change? He ain't dead, but I got niggas in the fed smoking Lil Wayne. Soon I see my Memphis homies. Hey man, say man. I had 9M to my name. Making cheese out your bangs. Reorganize my whole gang. On Sundays we work on our aim. And every month on the 13th, I'm bopping out with a new chain. I heard street niggas getting tummy tucked. Told you these rappers lame. In my cell I did 1,000 burpees. I toned up my frame.
Oh yeah, this bitch is dark, boy. You can't see shit. I love it. Dark as fuck. Dude, it's slowly coming together. Yeah, it is. That tint really bright. You guys need any tint, wraps, PPF done? Come check out Rapaholic Wraps. He'll get you right, bro. DM him for a quote on Instagram. Follow his Instagram. He works in Central NC. Anyone who's in the 919 area needs a wrap or tint, PPF, get you right, man. Put up to my boy Burak shop. He's getting his headers in. X pipe in. Finna make this bitch loud. Bit by be sounding good. Summertime is over with.
Vivo muy aprisa la vida de artista, drogas y mujeres. Otra más para la lista en el ambiente, con figuras grandes, citas importantes. Caviar y otras comidas elegantes.
20,000 como si nada, mucha ropa que es de marca. Puras dieces son mis damas, desde antes de la fama. Pero déjame empezar, siéntense, les voy a contar lo que no sabían de mí, toda la verdad. Me arrestaron a los 15 años por querer lograr todos mis sueños. Le marcaron a mis jefes, le dijeron que no andaba nada bueno.
Doble pantalón para aguantar los cintarazos. Cuando me corrieron yo me sentí abandonado.
Son las cosas que uno va pensando, rolando un cigarro, paseando por Hollywood.
Son las cosas que uno va pensando, rolando un cigarro, paseando por Hollywood.
Got my boy Santana working in this motherfucker too. Got this side installed. Just trying to tighten up everything. Got bro down there getting that shit done. That look good with this tent. It should be cured. Bro got the windows down, everything. And the wheels too. Rocking that Continental. Can't wait to hear how this bit sound. Bit about to be chopping.
I was wondering who was that. Who was this nigga?
This bro's truck right here, this George truck right here, look clean. boy B-Rex. So I got the grub. Tell me what you got getting done to your vet, bro.
Headers, baby.
Sam!
Headers done. We about to work.
We're about to cook up too, about to grill up.
We about to grill good as fuck today. I done got some pans, some everything.
Okay, that boy Paulo smell that shit.
Be safe, bro.
Cooking times 2.
No way, you the one helping?
That's why.
Oh yeah, this one fit.
Yeah?
Yeah, this one's good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh, shit. What's up, bro?
Looking good, bro. Nice shiny new headers. Out with the old
Dude, we got another spot.
and with the new.
They just told me about it. Man, I'm out here. Man. Don't put too much in your lap. So we'll figure it out. All right, I got you. You be the first person I tell. Yeah, hell yeah, I got you. I'm ready.
When you double tap it, you downshift to make that sound.
New headers, new exhaust installed. That bitch sound good.